on this morning to some other stories. India Today had gotten you a detailed report highlighting the plight and struggle of Wayanad students in accessing online classes because of poor signal, poor network and poor infrastructure. Actor Sonu Sood then stepped up after seeing our report and pledged help with a promise to install a mobile tower. And soon after, you also had the MP from Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, taking note of India Today's report and seeking the centre's intervention to augment digital infrastructure in his constituency.
The range gets cut off, so I cannot attend the class. And then I will, from my mother's phone, I will call the teachers and I will report them.
India Today gave their voice a platform, and now they are getting a helping hand. A ground report by our reporters highlighted the plight of school and college students in Wayanad, who are unable to access internet for studies. Actor and philanthropist Sonu Sood, who watched the report, has offered to pitch in. Sood has promised to install a mobile tower in the area that featured in the ground report. The India Today team had found the students sitting on a bridge as they travelled through the forest route from Tirunelli to Panavalli. They explained this is the only spot where they could find proper internet connectivity.
COVID വന്ന മുതൽ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ് തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ റേഞ്ചിന്റെ വലിയ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ ഇടയ്ക്ക് സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് ഇറങ്ങേണ്ട അവസ്ഥയാണ്. ക്ലാസ് കിട്ടാണ്ട് ഒരു ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. ഇവിടെ വന്നിരുന്ന് പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്, പിന്നെ മഴയൊക്കെ ആവുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെതായ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് വന്നിരുന്ന് പഠിക്കേണ്ട അവസ്ഥയാണ്.
കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം പിന്നെ ഫോണിലല്ലായിരുന്നു, അതുകൊണ്ട് ടി വിയിൽ മാത്രമായതുകൊണ്ട് കുഴപ്പമില്ലായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്രാവശ്യം മാറ്റിയത് കൊണ്ട് ഫോണിലേക്ക് ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ പ്രശ്നം. റേഞ്ച് ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുക.
നോട്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട്?
ഇല്ല, അതെല്ലാം വീട്ടിൽ പോയി ഇരുന്നിട്ടാണ് ഇത്. എല്ലാം ഇവിടുന്ന് എടുത്തു വെക്കും, എന്നിട്ട് വീട്ടിൽ പോയി എഴുതും.
A little further from the bridge, on the other side of the mountain, the situation was even worse. Every day, over 20 students climb up the steep mountain in search of internet connectivity. The students have created a makeshift shed with wooden sticks and polythene sheets to make their lives a little easier.
My house is far down there, so I have to climb a lot of distance, about 500 meters or 1 kilometer, and I have to come here. So I will come in the morning, and if battery charge is gone, I have to go back and recharge. Then I have to come back. It's very difficult. Then about 3 times a day we climb and go down.
ഇവിടെ എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ റേഞ്ച് ഇല്ല. തേർഡ് ഇയറിൽ എനിക്ക് പകുതിമുക്കാൽ ക്ലാസ് മിസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പല ക്ലാസ്സുകളും എനിക്ക് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടില്ല. എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. ആ താഴെ ഇവിടെ കയറി വരണമെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഏകദേശം ഒരു 10 മിനിറ്റോളം ഞാൻ എടുക്കും. എന്നാലും ഞാൻ ഓടിക്കത്തിച്ചാണ് ഇവിടെ വരും. അപ്പോഴേക്കും ക്ലാസ് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. കാരണം എനിക്ക് നേരത്തെ സമയം അറിയാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഞാനിവിടെ എത്തുമ്പോഴേക്കും എനിക്ക് നേരത്തെ ക്ലാസ് തുടങ്ങി അറ്റൻഡൻസ് എടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടായിരിക്കും ഞാൻ വരിക.
1 2 2 3 4.
Hours after India Today's report on the plight of the Wayanad children went viral, drawing on help from Sonu Sood, the Member of Parliament from this area also took note. In a letter shot off to the central government, Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi requested that the plight of underserved communities in Wayanad be addressed urgently with digital infrastructure. India Today has ensured the children of Wayanad have been heard. Their determination and grit will not go unrewarded. We will keep track of deliveries as promised. With Gopi Krishnan Unnithan in Wayanad, Bureau Report, India Today.
Gopi Krishnan Unnithan now joins us live on this broadcast. Gopi, good morning. Your report from Wayanad has clearly woken up authorities. Actor Sonu Sood, the first one to have responded to you on Twitter, and he's promised help. He's promised the setting up of a mobile tower, and that's also prompted the constituency's MP Rahul Gandhi to finally seek action.
Well, very good morning, Akshita. As you just rightly pointed out, every impact a story creates is actually something that would really warm our heart, because it is actually a message to the rest that there is somebody to listen to your voice, and there is somebody to actually escalate your issues to the higher ups. And it was really heartening to see that Sonu Sood and along with his friend Karan Gilhotra has actually offered to help, and they were actually saying that they had done this installation of mobile towers in many other parts of the country for the online, to serve the underprivileged children who were not having proper connectivity for online classes, and they have decided to repeat the same in Kerala also. So the first part of this particular initiative will be to conduct a survey on the ground to try and understand the total population and the total number of potential beneficiaries this tower could have in this particular region, and then maybe by 1 or 2 months a particular tower will be realized, is what we are given to understand by Sonu Sood's team. Now, coming back to the Rahul Gandhi, because Rahul Gandhi is actually one of the most important politicians in the country. He is one of the key faces of the opposition and Congress, and also he is representing Wayanad. So it actually means a lot for him to step in and ensure that the people of his constituency, that students of his constituency are getting proper facilities to study. Yesterday night, we have been given to understand that he has wrote a letter to Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Minister for IT infrastructure. He has actually requested that there must be some augmentation in the facilities in these areas of Wayanad.
All right, Gopi, I'm sure you'll be tracking the latest from Wayanad, and let's hope that, very soon the children out there in your report get the relief they need and they require at this time of a pandemic. So many helping voices, so many helping hands stepping up. Rahul Gandhi, the constituency MP, has also now sought action. Gopi, thank you very much for joining us on this broadcast.